give me a friend now. Come see up alive. Big up. Arthur. Yeah, big up. See up alive. So much you are the can't reach to them. You gotta get up early today. I think so, you gotta get up early today. Yeah, me not stop. Huh? Which one? Yeah. Oh, where jam car there. About that drop board. I really lean up, Don't think this spot, yeah. Hit your ball, yes. Yeah. Star board. Number fourth side. Beautiful Jamaica place. Got the water. Clear water. Huh? Oh, where's it? Yeah. Yo. Spot, fire. Yeah, go Gaster. I'll lift you up. Anytime you step on the left side, man. You see where the man is. you know I yellow, Mr. Sharp. Watch it. Then you got the color to it, I said. But when they just clear. Push up the channel, push up the channel. Oh God, man. Oh. Eh? I tell them, man, if I see, man. You see, I just rise. Rock formation. It's a mermaid there, hang on. Intelligent, somebody intelligent, some intelligent people here. Look at the formation. Coming to the church. Good family. Huh? Watch out now. Oh, God. Hold on, set foot. I want the rope. What the fuck here? Balance. Oh. Jaja. Oh, I see. Oh. Oh, I see, me I tell you. Ocean Fury. The type of money make them see a man a rate, man. We live and learn. I'm starting to hear about that shit in Ocean. Just as see progress and just in the process. Everybody help me get the back what them want to enjoy. That's why I zoom up the thing and just stay to myself. Not laughing. Investment we have to do. the youth, we have Benz and Beach House. Some apartment building at Venice. Just work to the creator. Just because my skin color them haters. And it seems like even we don't rate us. As I just push me emotion. Just push me emotion. Flush me emotion. Them never did help to get the bag, now them want to spend it with you. Me I tell about people, mankind, hard vicious and vile. None at all them can't have me a contemplate suicide. Me I tell you about mankind, evil and vile. So we live and learn. Mankind. They never get the back what they want to enjoy with you. So we flush emotions. Get the youth, we have Benz and Beach House. Apartment complex of Venice. Statutes are the most high we cherish. We live and learn. Just remember, say me cognizant in again. You know, say you take me for your ride. Done, see, say you're not rape, man. So right now, me just hold me one and keep me distance. Distance. We live and learn. And go like icebox. Go like Antarctica. As you can see, it's gonna be a sunny day all over the curve. I see like for some rain over there, but seems like for the most part, I have some sun. For most part, we're gonna have some. St. Mary's side, Araka, Bessa. You got the in low down the beer, because yeah, one fish set drop, let's say, one fish trap. This is how we do it. You know, Jamaican fisherman at work. See them?
cut.
You say phone come out from them, man. It's a part of it where the boat I go slow and rock it, rock. Some people tend to get seasick. Me get seasick more while I have yeah. But I love to see it when I get seasick. Motion sickness. Yeah.
Oh, 12, 13. Oh, 13.
All that you have to video too, when you tell me to keep the boat steady. Prepare in a pot. Bait. Knife I give BP a little challenge. No more knife I do the cut up to all them.
I told me strong man, you know, with the word.
Why is it out there? I know I work close to man earlier on their food. I'm like, you said something. Wow, yeah. Port not now. Where they? Coconut also apartheid, as you can see. So the man feed the whole Jamaica, feed Jamaica, feed, yeah. So you have to respect them money. And this is how we do it. And nobody, huh? 30 feet. Where your piece might dive 30, 40 feet right now. So we are trapped there instead them have to release them. I have to give respect to the fisherman, them risk their life at sea. Cause I see I move with it right now and pull up, pull out through. Yeah, yeah. See boat I move. Beaky, just take your time. Take your time and you have to pull out now, Beaky. You have to pull out, no matter how you want to say. And you know, I got just pull out one time. So. Watch it. Give man the rope no man. Indeed man, cause you have to be patient. You just patient man. So that means say now go do them. The emotion we not too sure that. Because I take time, you know, not up. Tangle up bad man. I don't really have that, no.
Now we can score the Russia and
Fire traffic. What I want to We're tired of the city. We're tired of the city.
Never, no.
We're tired of the go gadget.
Lego.
You have a bread devil. You have a bread devil. I'm serious. This is the life. Sometimes we just love out people. Stay to ourselves. Stay to ourselves. Stay to ourselves. This is how it's done. I say carefully set it down. go and cut up the breastbone then. Die, active or captive. Money.